Hi there, how you doing? Are you good? We've got a bunch of videos to check out. Let's start off with this. This is an ELAC sub, and this is also a good example of what a sub should look like when it's moving. So this guy's got a light shining on the sub, as you can see. That makes the movement a little more clearer, especially if you increase the shutter speed. Also, he's holding the camera nice and steady. And the next one we have is this. Also nice steady camera work and a broken leg or ankle, or I can't remember what it was. I think it was a broken ankle. So he's not been able to do anything because of the leg, which is why he's made this. And then filmed it and sent it to me. And the next one we have is this. Some of these speakers look like they've seen better days. Right, so we have a few. We've got a mix and match of speakers. And that there is something. Power supply probably. Alright, let's see what these look like. Oh.
MyStonerMind.
Alright, so as you can see, we have movement from all the speakers here. Alright, it's one of them. Alright, I'd just like to know how you get that much damage on a speaker. Alright, got a bit of flex on that. That kind of looks like a tube light. But anyway, this is a good example of what speakers should look like when they're moving. Oh, not too sure about that connection though. Alright, so this is a DIY wireless speaker, and that there is a Ground Zero sub. And I believe it's a 10-inch. And right here we have another case of extreme rolling shutter. And the next one we have is this, a B2 audio subwoofer in the back of a car. And here we have the next one. This is a 200 watt subwoofer, which is a little meh, but it's doing a good job. The next one we have is this audio pipe subwoofer in the back of a car. And he's sorry about the rattles and the horrible microphone. Alright, apology accepted. The next one we have is this one right here. So we're a little too close to the sub itself. Or are we? I think we could be a little closer. You know, about 4 inches closer. So I would have preferred that instead of this. Either way, I think we can hear it bottoming out. Alright, next time, zoom in a little bit more. And the next one we have is this.
Here's a video of using your music on my 15-inch subwoofer.
Alright, got a fair amount of windscreen flex. I don't think we get to see what is powering all this or what subs he has, so if you want to make another video and send me, I'd be happy to accept it. Are you a tit? And the next video we have is also in some sort of a vehicle, and he's got tweeters right there. Alright, let's see what this is about. Ooh, okay. Got more flex than the previous video did. And I can see why none of your things are actually attached to the roof liner. It's probably quite difficult keeping them all attached. And we've got a damaged windscreen too, which is a sign of some serious bass. So you see, when you have this amount of bass and you're able to crack a windscreen, there's no point in getting it repaired. Nice. Oh, he's got 4 of them. I thought he only had 2 of them. I was going to say that's quite a lot of flex for just 2 subs. You see, that's the thing about putting subs in cars. Not all cars react the same. Some cars actually flex more than others. Alright, the next one we have is this. So what is going on? Got a bit of pixelation. Alright, so we have this moving. It's alright, it's moving. We are a little close to the speaker. Sounds like somebody's playing GTA.
MyStonerMind.
Alright, so we have a bunch of insulation inside of the speaker box, speaker cabinet, and this is what is powering it. Yep, somebody's playing GTA. I recognise those sounds. And the next one we have is this. In a car again. Got some roof flex. Door flex. So 2 scars, not sure of the size of them, but big enough. Alright, not bad matey. Anyway, the next one we have is this. Alright, so it's that sub is a Rockford Fosgate Punch. And the lows look like that. Alright. And the next one we have is this. Hang on a second, let me just adjust this myself. There we go, that's better. Good amount of flex. Got some movement from the seat. Looks like we were inside of a Dodge Ram. Alright, so that's all for now. Thumbs up if you liked the video, and I will catch you in the next one, bro.